Omicron cases are on the rise, especially in countries like USA, South Africa, some countries of Europe, and South America. Cases in USA are spreading rapidly, and government officials reveal that most of the people who remain unvaccinated are the ones who have been affected by the variant. Time and again, government officials of various countries have requested unvaccinated people to get themselves vaccinated in a bid to lessen the number of people dying of the variant. Unfortunately, most of these people are yet not ready to take the vaccination. Countries like Poland have reported high number of deaths, mostly the ones who have remained unvaccinated. Scientists tell that Omicron variant is spreading very fast, faster than its predecessor Delta variant, and is asymptomatic, which means when a person is infected by the variant, it takes time for him to realize that he has been infected due to the reasons that none of the symptoms like cold, fever, body ache show up. So it takes time for a person contracting Omicron to know that he has got the virus and he needs to get himself isolated. This is the reason why Omicron is spreading so rapidly globally. In USA, we see a lot of cases every day, and the cases are just going up and up every single day. The government is definitely doing the needful to take a control on the situation. However, we as citizens should take all the safety precautions, the safety measures, so that we don't get infected. Time and again, in all of my videos which deal with COVID 19, I request my viewers to first get yourself vaccinated. That's very important. Many people are not getting themselves vaccinated, and because of that, so many people are getting infected and also dying. That's a very sad situation to be in. So, the first thing that is required is a vaccination, and then the safety measures. I think if these things are taken care of, the number of cases will go down in a short period of time. So please stay safe and please take care of your family. It's a sincere request from all of us. Thank you.